Welcome friends, to a profound exploration of the pervasive sentiment many grapple with, why life often feels dull and empty. In this video, we'll dissect the underlying causes, offering insights and actionable steps to revitalize your existence. 1. The pursuit of external validation. A common culprit behind the dullness in life is an excessive reliance on external validation. We delve into the societal pressures and norms that compel individuals to seek approval from others, often at the expense of authentic self-expression. Learn how to break free from this cycle and reclaim your sense of identity. 2. Disconnect from personal passions. As life becomes busier, personal passions often take a back seat. Explore the profound impact this neglect can have on your overall fulfillment. Discover practical strategies to reconnect with your passions, reigniting the spark that may be missing from your daily routine. 3. Overemphasis on material success. Our society places immense value on material success, linking it to happiness. However, the pursuit of wealth and status can lead to a hollow existence. Uncover the nuances of this phenomenon and gain insights into how you can redefine success on your terms, fostering a more meaningful life. 4. Lack of mindfulness and presence. Modern life is rife with distractions that hinder our ability to be present in the moment. Explore the detrimental effects of constant multitasking and mindless consumption of information. Learn techniques to cultivate mindfulness, allowing you to savor each moment and find fulfillment in the simplicity of the present. 5. Neglect of mental and emotional well-being. A crucial aspect often overlooked is the state of one's mental and emotional well-being. We address the stigma surrounding mental health issues and provide practical tips for nurturing your psychological resilience. Understanding and addressing these aspects can profoundly impact the vibrancy of your life. 6. Social comparison and its impact. The prevalence of social media intensifies the habit of comparing oneself to others. Delve into the adverse effects of constant comparison and explore ways to cultivate a healthier perspective. By focusing on your unique journey, you can break free from the shackles of comparison and embrace the richness of your own experiences. In conclusion, understanding why your life feels dull and empty is the first step towards transformative change. This video has equipped you with insights into various factors contributing to this sensation. Now, embark on a journey of self-discovery by implementing actionable steps discussed throughout the video. By taking charge of your narrative and making intentional choices, you can infuse your life with purpose and vibrancy. Remember, the key lies in embracing authenticity, nurturing passions, prioritizing well-being, and savoring the beauty of each moment. Subscribe for more content aimed at guiding you towards a more fulfilling life.